Today is October 3rd. I have 4 days until sentencing. I do have to do nails, but I'm gonna come home and lay back down. Hey y'all. We did go to Dollar General, Family Dollar, to get something for my cough, soap, and some laundry detergent. And now I am in Dollar General because Family Dollar didn't have my dog's food that he liked. So Dollar General usually has it. Sometimes they're out of it, so let's see. So they don't have my dog's food that he likes. He usually gets like this brand. The name is a Yorkie. So that's the type of food I get. They don't have his brand here, so I'm probably just gonna order it from Walmart and have him deliver it. I wish I would have knew that because my mom ordered something from Walmart yesterday and got it dropped off this morning. But it's cool. My dog do like these, so I'm gonna get him this one. This ain't the brand we usually get, but it's cool. I'm sorry, this is the brand that we get, but this ain't the flavor, but it's cool. It's beef and sweet potato. It's not no pork, so we're gonna slide with this and call it a day. Actually, yeah. I might as well just have Walmart deliver all of it then, shit. So yeah, I'm gonna just get up on out these people's store. Just got back from running to the store with my mom, and she bought me a salad from Georgia's. It got tomatoes and stuff in there. My mom now don't eat that stuff, but she must have forgot or something. So I'm about to pick it all out and put it on this plate so I can tear my salad up. Look at him sitting there thinking he about to get some. No, you ain't. Alright, y'all, so I did get some of this from the store. Don't judge me because it is generic. But my dad had something at his house and it was nasty, but it wasn't one of those things that it was lingering in my mouth for too long. Like by the time I washed it down, it was gone. I'm about to make me some tea. I got me some hoes. I only got a few left. Just pop that right up in there. And then to the microwave we go. Okay, y'all, so my tea is done. As you can see, I'm about to go ahead and take some of this. And I told you I don't like it, so I got 2 bottles of water right here. I'm about to open these up so when I throw this back, I can throw this back and then finish with that. All right. I play around every time it's time for me to do this. I just be playing, but I can't play because I got somewhere to be. Come on. Ooh, that shit was nasty. Ugh. So it wasn't as nasty as I thought, but it's still nasty. Since I have a little bit of time before I have to leave, I am going to cut my flowers and clean them. All right, here's my flowers in my vase. I don't have no scissors or shears, whatever you want to call them, so I'm going to use these. And this is the finished product. Aren't they so cute? Yes, I did that. I just got to the salon that I work at. I am about to prepare for my 5 o'clock. So let's go.